Guys, psst, over here. I've got something to tell you. Something very important. This may be illegal soon. Yeah, darling. You're talking when I'm talking. Yep, that's right. You heard me correctly. Keeping backyard chickens may become illegal soon. In some countries, it already is illegal, like it reads here. You must register within 1 month of keeping poultry or other captive birds at any premises in England or Wales. This includes any birds you keep as pets. You're breaking the law if you do not register. Apparently, it's because of the bird flu. Okay, sure. Whatever you say. To register your chickens, you must provide all this information. Your contact details, the location of where the chickens are kept, and the detail of the species, how many chickens you have, and their use. Our food system is under attack. Our vegetables are being sprayed and poisoned. Raw milk is illegal. Seed oils are in everything. Red meat is being alienized. And any effort that we make to try and become more self-sufficient just becomes harder and harder because they keep making more and more rules. Isn't that right, Tiny? Yes, it's right. You talk? Wake up and smell the coffee, Mrs. Bueller. They're just leading you down the primrose path. They want you to look like this. And not this. Because that's where the moolah is, the spondulics. Why fix your health with diet when you can take 10 different pills? Oh, but those pills won't heal you. Oh no, they will just mask it. So, what can we do about this? I'm not sure. After all, I am just a clout-chasing teenager. And who knows, I might be dead soon. I saw this video on YouTube saying that female influencers are dropping like flies. I'm a female influencer. I don't want to drop like a fly. I wonder why that's happening. Anyway, back to the livestock. There is a new law in Tasmania which states that sheep must be registered with the National Livestock Identification System, the NLIS, and tagged with an electronic identification device, an EID. This is required for all sheep born on or after January 1st, 2025. It's only a matter of time before all animals have to be registered and electronically tagged. Anyway, so what do you guys think about this? Comment down below. Are you going to register your chickens? Or are you going to eat the bugs? I know what I'm going to be doing. Eat, my babies, eat. Oh, sorry. Come on. Forage! Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time on Chilli's farm. Bye! Guys, what do you have to say about this registering chickens business? Come on, say something. Fair point, fair point. You guys are just busy foraging for grain. Hello? Come this way. Come. Say something.
What did he say?